You're either going with them or you're going with me, okay? Simple as that.
Fuck with me the whole fucking night. You wanna come out and shoot the shit? Get the fuck out of my fucking face.
Officers responded under the Fourth Amendment Emergency Aid Exception, Brigham City v. Stewart, 2006. No warrant required when medical need is apparent.
Is she breathing? Have you guys checked that? Okay. Okay. Hello. Can you sit up for me? What's your name? Do you know her?
Yes.
Okay, how do you know her?
Friend.
Okay. Friend as in, like, are you guys in a relationship or is she just a friend?
Friend.
Okay. So what happened? What happened to her?
My car was right here. I put it in the parking. My car is gone. So I'm trying to...
Your car's gone?
Why my car...
What car do you drive? And you're positive it was this parking lot?
Yes.
What's her name?
Bella.
Okay, what's your name? Do you have ID on you?
Kevin.
Do you have ID on you?
Yes.
Can you hand it to me?
No.
What was that?
No.
Why not?
Can you ask me why?
Yeah, because I'm trying to help her, and if I need to ask questions and call you after, then I'll help.
The companion refused ID. Under Hiibel, this is lawful absent a state stop and identify statute and reasonable suspicion of crime. He also withheld substance use information not criminal, but it directly delayed life-critical medical triage.
What's up, man? Why are you acting like this? What's going on?
You said to help...
You're just acting weird. Yeah, you're acting really weird. You're not giving me anything, like why she's like this.
I don't know why she's like that.
Okay. What happened to you? Why do you have all this stuff on you?
What do I have on?
You have dirt on you.
I don't know. I was sitting right there. I was sitting on the ground.
Okay. And did you touch your face at all?
Maybe.
Okay.
Maybe. Look. Right there.
What's her name? What's her name?
Bella.
Bella. Bella.
Annabella.
Annabella.
Bella.
Can you sit up?
Hey, Bella.
Hey. Hey. Can you sit up? Is she just drunk? Did she take any drugs?
She's drunk.
Okay.
She's drunk. I was literally like, I parked my car. I put my thing.
Did she take any drugs tonight?
Now it's like my car's gone.
She's not in trouble if you say yes, but did she take any drugs tonight?
I don't know. My car is gone.
Okay.
I'm just trying to figure out where my car is.
Well, I'm worried about her right now, okay?
That's okay.
Okay? You should be worried about your friend who's laying on the parking garage floor right now, okay?
Am I not here?
You are, but can you help me help her?
All right.
Will she answer you? When's the last time that you were talking to her and she was coherent?
Like 20 minutes ago.
Okay, where were you guys at? Were you at O'Brien's?
I got her and we came over here.
Okay.
The car was gone.
Okay. Annabella.
That's where I'm at.
She's sleeping now. Okay.
The subject verbally refused care. Key legal question. Can an incapacitated person give informed refusal? Informed consent requires understanding, appreciation, and reasoning. A subject who is unconscious and incontinent fails all three. Winters v. Adam Sear, 2001. Temporary detention of an incapacitated person for medical assessment is constitutionally permissible.
How are you guys getting home after this if she doesn't want to go to the hospital?
I was trying to get my car
Okay. You're positive you parked it in this garage?
right here.
What car do you drive?
Chevy Cruze 2014.
What color?
Black.
Okay.
I legit 1907. Like I can show you the right here. 1907. I was trying to get 54B SOB. I don't know if they towed it. Why would they tow it?
How long has it been parked here?
I paid for like an hour and a half.
Hour and a half? Okay.
I'm maybe like 20 minutes past that.
Okay.
I don't know if it's in the, I don't know if they tow it out of here.
Hey.
I got us an Uber home. She okay?
Yeah, she's good. Wake up. Annabelle.
She might be drunk.
Wake up. Can you sit up? Can you sit up so the fire department can check on you in a sec? Can you sit up?
Did someone call you over here?
Yes.
Okay.
So were you like walking around because you were looking for your car the whole time? Is that why? Or were you with her the whole time?
I knew where my car was. I was trying to find her, come back here, and when I got here, the car was gone.
Okay.
That's where I was at.
Okay. All right. Do you have anybody else that can pick you guys up or something?
Yeah, most likely, yes.
Well, I need somebody that's probably sober because you're also intoxicated, so I don't trust you taking care of her.
I can get someone.
Yeah, I need like a family member or somebody that knows her, roommate, somebody that can watch
I
her.
need to figure out why is my car.
Somebody's looking for her right now. Annabella, don't do that.
You need to wake up. You're in a parking lot, but you're in a parking lot.
You're good.
I have fire station on me.
You're good.
No,
You're
I'm
good.
good.
Just sit.
No, I'm good. I'm good.
Just sit. But you need to wake up.
I just want to
I'm
make sure.
good. I'm good.
You're good.
You're not good. You're passed out in the parking lot.
It's not my fault.
Bro,
No, there's someone here
bro,
with me.
you're okay. I'm here. I'm right here. Look, the car
Do you
shit.
want to work? Do you
The
want
car
to
shit's
first
gone.
Do you have
Leave
a
me with me.
Do you have like an app that would show your like Apple
Because you
does
want
it?
to fuck with me the whole fucking night.
My
You want to come
car
out
is
and piece of
gone.
shit. Get the fuck
Hey.
out of my fucking face.
Stop.
Kevin, get out of my fucking face.
They're here to
Kevin?
check on you. Do you want them to check on you or not?
Get out of my face.
Bella, stop. Do you want them to check on you or not? Because you're just wasting their time at this point.
Cool, you checking me, whatever, why not?
Do you want them to check you?
Check
Or are
me.
you just intoxicated and being difficult and don't want to help?
You want to go to the hospital? If you want to have
No, I don't. I've been to the hospital before. I've been through this shit, bro. I've been through this shit before.
Okay.
Alright?
So here's your option. Find a friend to come get you. Because you're intoxicated, you're passed out in the parking lot.
Okay, well, my friend, I just told him to f off.
Okay, call a friend to have him come here.
Sign a little thing.
Well, then your options go in the hospital.
Why am I leaking out of my bag right now?
No, I think you peed. Yeah.
Just stay on the ground for a
Stay on
second.
the
Just,
ground.
you don't need to get
Why
up.
am I leaking out of my bag?
Because you probably,
right now?
I think you peed. Or maybe it is your bag.
Pee
I didn't. You
on
did.
me? Did you pee on me? I didn't pee myself. Yes, I do.
Can you call them?
Try to call them and tell them to come
I want to
pick
be
you
left alone.
up. You can't. You're
I don't like
intoxicated.
all these people on me, bro. This shit's pissing me off right now. I don't like all
Call a
these
friend.
people being called on me. I've been through this shit too many times. I've been
Well, if you've been through this and you know the only other
I've
option,
been
hey.
bankrupted for no fucking reason. I want people to leave me alone.
Okay, we'll call a
Just get out
friend.
of my face.
Call a friend.
Just get out of my face. I need everyone to get out of my face.
Kevin, does she have a roommate, family, anybody?
Yeah, her brother.
Don't stand next to her. I don't want you standing next to her because if she hits you,
I don't
then
want people
it's
sitting
just gonna be
next to
something
me.
else.
I have too many people next
What?
to me right now.
Her brother.
I have
Okay,
too many people
do you have his
next to
phone
me.
number?
I don't like this.
Shut up.
I don't like
Stop.
people
Stop.
next to me.
Stop.
I don't care.
Call
Stop.
somebody.
Stop what? Stop
You're gonna
what?
go to the hospital then.
Stop who? Cool. I don't care. At the end of the day. At the end of the day, you're gonna take me where you're gonna take me. Cause that's what you wanna do. You want your money. Leave me alone. Everyone leave me alone right now. Just back up. Just back up. Just back up. I have too many people on me right now. I have really bad anxiety. Alright? And when I have people on me, I don't like it. I don't like the people on me. Alright? I'm being respectful. So at the end of the day, if I was a
He doesn't have the number for the boy, the brother.
if I cared enough, I'd beat your ass. So just step away from me now. Step away.
Don't touch it. Don't
from
touch
me.
him. Don't touch him.
Step away from me.
If you touch him, then you are going to jail. Simple as
But
that.
I'm not going to because I respect.
Okay, if
my
you respect
elders.
them, then you'll answer their questions.
The subject threatened assault. Under Graham v. Connor, 1989, the officer's proportionate warning was legally sound.
Okay,
Alright,
And you'll go-
step away from me.
go to the
If
hospital.
You respect me,
Okay.
If you respect me,
I'll take a step.
just
I'll take a
away
step.
from me. That's all.
All right.
That's all I'm asking. And now I have a stretcher coming out.
Yep.
I've already been through this route. I've already been through this route.
Don't stop.
No, because
Stop.
I'm gonna
Stop. This is what I told you. Stop.
I'm okay.
I'm
just
no,
grabbing my
because I'm
phone.
gonna get a
You're either going with them or you're going with me. Okay, simple as that. I'm not doing this. I'm not playing this game. You can't even
Now
walk.
you
You can't
see-
control yourself.
Now you see, he's taking my best friend.
Who
away
cares
from
about
me.
him? Who cares
That's
about
my
him?
best friend.
Well, your best friend doesn't even want to help you get a ride home. So
Yeah, no, but you know what? The only person that's giving
Okay.
me right home is this right now, and I don't want this right now. I don't want
So
this right now.
what's the solution?
Go home.
Okay.
Go back to your base and leave me the f alone.
So how are you gonna do that? Is somebody at home they can take care of
Leave me
you?
alone. Leave me alone.
Alright, come on. We're not playing this game. Let's go. Come on.
Don't touch me. Don't
Don't do that.
me.
Don't do that.
Don't touch me. Don't touch
Sit
me. I
down.
want my bag. I want my bag. I want my bag.
Sit.
Don't touch me.
Sit
Don't
down.
Don't
All right.
Don't touch me right now.
Hold on. Stop.
Touch me right now. Don't touch me.
Oh, chill.
Stop.
Don't touch me. I don't want to be touched.
Can I go where she's going?
Oh my God, now
Back up. Back up.
in touch. I said I don't want to be fucking touched.
What happened?
Take a seat over there. Just take a seat over there.
You. And I'm never gonna talk to you again. You're a bitch ass.
It doesn't matter. Whichever.
Yeah.
One of you guys come
Mine.
Did she hit you or who was it? Who'd she hit?
No,
None of you
I
guys?
didn't hit anybody.
do that then.
I didn't hit anybody. Shut the fuck up. Get the fuck out of my face.
You talking to her right now? You're just gonna amp her up more.
What's wrong with her?
If you wanna, you ride it down.
What?
They're gonna go to Boca.
Okay.
Ride it down.
She's drunk. You guys got paramedics.
Yeah, I mean, we tried getting her up, and then she just started like hitting us. Like,
Okay.
really.
Once de facto control was assumed, DeShaney v. Winnebago, 1989, applied state custody creates a constitutional duty of care. Failure to ensure medical transport could have triggered Section 1983 civil liability.
Hey, it is what it is.
Is there? No, I don't know. What do you want me to tell you? I don't know yet.
She's drunk.
This is so unfair. No, you want to give me? I don't care about this. Give me.
I'm not doing this right now.
Give it to me. No.
Spit mask?
Don't tell your boss.
Do you have a spit mask? My car's over there, but. Beautiful. What's
I
up?
just want to go to leave me the f alone. I don't want to be here. Give me my fucking bag.
Yeah.
I mean, I guess you want me to do like a 10 for his car, or what do you think?
I don't. I think he parked somewhere else, but we can look around.
Grades. Officer B+, sound legal compliance and consistent de-escalation, reduced from A due to scene control gaps in the final stage. Companion, C+D refusal was lawful but obstructive, withholding substance information endangered the subject's life.
Subject not graded.
Grading a legally incapacitated individual is analytically improper. Lessons learned. 1. Verbal refusal is not informed. Refusal capacity must be assessed. 2. Once an officer engages an incapacitated subject, duty of care attaches immediately. Let us know if there is a topic you would like us to cover in the comments. Thank you for watching.